And not only that, why I'll tell you,
That's
why
all.
I'll tell you
That's
why.
all is the
Why?
corruption. That's all is the corruption.
That's not more. That is not all.
Then?
There are other things to it. Once that monopoly comes, they decide. Soil kottai, cheating kottai, soil kottai, and they decide. These cheaters decide. For example, even mining, what happened? Mining soil, but solta le. Profit konna halle. Profit kedon kurba lagale. Then corrupt people entered it. So industry cover data, and industry cover data, and these robbers decide who is the chief minister of the state.
Okay.
Come on.
Michael, so he is saying to an extent की फालतू मी कशी मोनोपोली तयार करतली की ह्या मोनोपोलीतल्यान फाल्यां ते डिसाइड करतले की हो मुख्यमंत्री जाय आणि तो मुख्यमंत्री नाक म्हणून एकदा निवडून येतले.
See, I'll tell you who brought the casinos first to the state of Goa.
We have discussed that issue.
Yes,
We have discussed that issue.
I'll tell you.
yeah.
Jaidev Jaidev Modi brought his company brought 2 more casinos. कोणे ट्रान्सफर केले? कोणे ट्रान्सफर केले? काँग्रेसीन ट्रान्सफर केले. आता तेच काँग्रेसवाले म्हणटा की आम्ही एक वेसल आदले वेसल कडून ने घातले म्हणून तिथून करप्शन हा. ते म्हणतात.
ताजो करप्शन.
Corruption आज आहे उलेला किती corruption
वेसल ओल्ड झाले आणि
Mayor.
चेंज केले.
Yeah.
आम्ही न्यू वेसल दिला 5 हाते 100 दिल्या कॅसिनो.
5 आहे ते 10 दिलाय ते.
आम्ही
5 आहे ते 10 दिलाय.
आम्ही
ही बोट घेतली
पाच-
आणि दिली घेतली.
Okay.
Alex, दिली घेतली.
Okay.
Important.
Alex,
आलो बोट घेतली आणि दिलो घेतली.
Okay.
I am saying Congress brought the casinos. I am saying that's why Congress was thrown out.
Okay.
I am saying that is why Congress was thrown out.
Okay,
Now
Alex.
you have to be thrown out. I'm
Alex,
telling
okay.
you.
That is why.
Okay. Before going to beer, Alex, complete your point. Michael.
No. My point is very specific. Rules and regulations have to be framed. Goan should be debarred.
You are creating monopoly.
No, we are not creating monopoly. Monopoly was
I'll take
earlier
clear and
created
complete.
by the Congress,
Yeah, Mugaras.
and we have only changed the ship.
Mugaras.
Okay.
My dear MLA, Mr. Michael, you mean to say without corruption, this license is just given
License is not given.
or transferred, whatever it is?
No, the ship is being changed.
Oh.
Yeah,
They're clean.
Only the
simply-
ship has been changed.
I see.
The
BJP
old
government is
ship has
clean.
been replaced.
It's the cleanest government in the
Okay.
country.
Alex, wait.
Cleanest government.
We
Manoj
have
Parikh.
given a fresh casino license.
My dear Michael,
Alex, wait.
when a common man wants to go to take an affidavit, he is made to come 50 times. And here you mean to say government is say, yeah, बरे तुम्ही चल आम्ही दिलं तुमका. No, असे no.
I'll
काय करा सोडा. काय करा.
असे no.
Corruption काय ना.
तसे
जे
झाले ना
5
आपले.
कॅसिनो रिव्हर बांधवीन आणल्या ते आणल्या काँग्रेस
म्हणून
गव्हर्नमेंट.
आहे बीजेपी
ज्यांना
वोट मारलं.
ship
म्हणून आहे
BJP vote मारलेलो.
ज्यांना
म्हणून आहे
ship
BJP
owned
vote
झाली,
मारलेलो.
आहे
BJP
ship
vote मारलेलो.
there is no problem in
Wait,
that.
Michael. He is saying he's your voter.
Let me
Michael,
talk.
he is saying that he is your voter and
I
he is
voted
betrayed.
for this.
And he is betrayed.
I
And he is
have
betrayed.
voted. I have voted for Manohar Parrikar. I voted for BJP.
You are feeling betrayed.
Betrayed.
Yeah. Okay. Rajan Bab.
No,
You
not
don't have
over.
to
Not over.
worry. Your problem is रिव्हर बांधवी नो. आम्ही मागच्या पुढे
No.
वाचतो त्याला.
Okay.
Say.
Okay.
Say.
Give us 2
Number
years,
two.
we'll
Yeah,
take
yeah.
it.
Wait. No 2 years.
Huh?
2 years they will not be there.
आता 1.5 वर्ष
Because आता और बाबू,
Yes, I'll come to you. Srinivas, I will come to you.
Let me talk.
Okay.
Let me talk.
See, you cannot take
My dear Michael.
you cannot take the employment from those people who have already
Okay,
employed
okay.
Did you
inside.
think about it before?
My dear
Of course, you
Michael.
think about
No,
it
no,
before.
this
Why
is-
you made an
that
allegation? Why
was-
you said that?
Alex,
What
Alex,
was done by the Congress government and NCP government.
Correct.
That is
Correct.
why the ship
Yeah,
that
correct.
is why the employment was
Correct,
generated.
correct,
And
correct.
now our government
That is why
cannot
we
be
were thrown out.
responsible.
That is why
Okay,
we were thrown out.
okay.
That is why we were thrown out.
Let me talk. The public is here.
Last point.
We have voted. I have voted for BJP. I voted for Manohar Parrikar because this one is the rogues.
Hari Deva.
Definitely.
Okay.
Number one.
Wait.
Number two.
You have joined them.
Wait.
2 years. 2 years not be sufficient because they're not going to last till Ganesh.
Okay.
Number 3.
Then.
Which Ganesh?
Wait.
Number
Then
three.
we'll discuss later which
Number
Ganesh.
3.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 3.
Yeah.
My friend has brought this photographs. Yesterday, I am saying they have paid photographs. They made people stand and remove the photographs.
Okay, that is your allegation.
Answer, no?
Okay. That is
Number
your
4.
allegation.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. Wait.
Yeah.
That whatever they have transferred the 6 story is value of 4 more casinos.
That's why it is 10 casinos.
Yes.
Okay. Rajan
See,
Bab.
we are all not understanding first of all. Every time Congress has done it, this one has done it. The BJP's game plan is to only bluff the people.
Yes.
Everybody knows and everybody is printing that this is the chief minister of U-turn. Let me finish. U-turn. U-turn is a dignified word in English
Horse shooter.
for flirting pond. And this is what is happening. This is coming clear. Now, what is happening? There are shooting out. He is not making one thing clear. The definition of dance bar. which he has
I will
opposed.
make
1
it
minute.
clear.
Okay,
Right
wait,
now.
Wait,
Michael, I'll come,
let me
I'll
finish.
come to you, I'll come to
You'll
you.
get it back.
I'll come to you. Finish your
now,
point.
now,
Finish your point.
now he said
Yeah.
there is no restriction. One fellow brought 2 licenses, and what do you call that? There is no restriction to transfer. Now, at this juncture, taking we have to consider the light of the promise made by this government that they will not allow it. There was no prohibition and there is no permission that I must transfer. So here was the time where the government could take its discretion and administrative powers and said, I am not allowed.
ओके
to
ओके ओके
Correct.
राव
Very good,
टाइम
very good.
सोंपला मुगे टाइम सोंपला लास्ट हें घेता 2 गजाली हांव तुका सामकी प्रामाणीकपणान दिता पयली गजाल जे करप्शनाचो आरोप चल्लो पळय तुमकां लायसन दिवपाक किंवा तुमकां कितें फॅसिलिटी दिवपाक मेड बी बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट और मेड बी काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट दे वर ट्विस्टिंग युअर आर्म्स
No, I do not.
दे वर सो
say
क्लीन
that.
दे वर सो क्लीन
I- I-
सिना असं तरी
I have
म्हणनाका
never
की
done- I have
काँग्रेस
not
वॉज
done any
क्लीन
payment to any-
बीजेपी इज क्लीन
I have
आमी
not-
एक पयसो दिलो ना
I have
आनी सगळे
never-
आमचे झाले
Neither
nobody is going to
Congress,
believe that
neither Congress nor BJP. I have paid 1 penny to get any favors done.
काँग्रेस बारी गेले
nobody can
मैं
This is-
परिकर बाप
Congress
बतालो
is-
मला पैसे गेले
I have not paid a
परिकर बाप
single penny to
बतालो
anybody.
आणि पैसे गेले म्हणून आणि तू म्हणता पैसे दिला म्हणून कोण ऐकपाचे आता
बरं, बरं, ओके,
हो, का बघू,
तू तसेच तू त्यांच्या against उलयता
Prabhat
मरे.
Bab,
बरं, no,
they are part of the corruption. Why you are asking them?
Yes.
let
They are
him
part
finish.
of Prabhat Bab.
Let him finish,
His
let him
statement
finish.
is confusing the people. 1 minute.
Okay.
He is the part of the corruption.
Okay.
It is-
So you
is
are
not
ridiculous.
the giver of the
Then you are
taker.
also part of the ministry. You are part of the ministry. You are part of the ministry.
Okay.
That's the
Okay,
corruption.
okay.
तू सांग रे.
Okay, सिद्धार्थ सेकंड गजाल म्हाका तुम्ही फायनल गजाल सांगात फाल्यां जर तुमच्या परिस्थिती आयली की मांडवीतल्यान भायर वचपाची तुमकां परवडटा तुमकां परवडटा
I will answer this question.
Last.
Very
Okay.
nice question. This is a genuine question.
Yeah.
See, people have got a misconception that vessels cannot go into the Aguada Bay. I challenge you. You all come with me right now. My all crew is on board 24/7. I can take the vessel and take into the Aguada Bay.
So मैं परिकर
One second. Let me complete, sir.
Wait, Reynard bhai.
But the question is why and how. See, if I take into the Aguada Bay, my vessel will go and get parked there. How do I take ferry customers there? Do you know in the evening when wind changes, there is about 3 meters swells in the Aguada sandbar mouth. And even a seafarer, I have tried it myself on last 31st December. I tried myself to try how it happens. You cannot even go there because even being a seafarer, you cannot go there because so much risky it is. Tomorrow, this is a tourist place. God forbid one feeder boat capsizes and 10 tourists die. What will happen? Press will shout, politicians will shout. In the bargain, they will arrest one casino owner like me. Surpluses, whatever it is, casino don has been arrested and put behind the bar, and casino will be
So,
sealed.
you know, it is not possible.
No. It is possible. Again, I am saying.
It is
But do not take decision on under pressure or just because somebody is shouting. They are doing their job. One is shouting, one is ruling, and then one will rule, another one will shout. But because they shout and rule, do not make industries a scapegoat. If at all you want to relocate, you have a proper relocation plan. He is saying, I don't want in my.
You are open for
Let
relocation.
me complete.
Wait.
Let me complete.
What is
I will
offshore?
answer that. I will
Wait,
answer.
What is the definition of offshore?
I will answer.
Give me the definition
Let
of
me
offshore.
complete. I will answer.
Let him
Give me
answer.
the definition of offshore.
I will give you.
Open the dictionary.
Okay.
Open the
I
dictionary.
will give you. I will give you.
Okay. So you are open for relocation.
See, let me complete. Proper make a relocation plan. He says, I don't want in Panjim. Go to Kalangut. Kalangut tomorrow says, we don't want in Kalangut. We are not a football here to keep being kicked out from pillar to post after
So
investing.
if there is a proper relocation, then you are open.
Always, it is not a question of our choice. It is a compulsion. Tomorrow government does a proper relocation plan with all safeties and everything taken into consideration, and a law has been passed that all the casinos are going to be relocated here. We have to abide it. We cannot go and say that no, we are not abiding laws of the country
Okay,
or laws of
okay,
the state.
okay.
Secondly,
Last
yeah,
point.
yeah.
My time is over.
Yeah.
Raju Bab, मागे एकच गजाल
Now,
सांगा.
I want to answer his
Yeah,
question.
last point. Okay, answer his question. Last point. Yeah, tell me.
I hope
He
the
says-
chief-
Okay.
I hope the chief minister is listening that they are ready for
Listen,
reallocation.
Yes,
He
Mayor,
should
you
do
got
it-
your
He
answer.
should do it in a month.
Mayor, you got your
Why
answer.
in month
Okay.
you cannot do it?
It
How
should
will
happen in a
it
month.
cannot happen?
Okay, okay.
cannot happen in the
Manoj
month.
Parrikar-
Mayor, you will get
He
your.
takes a responsibility of.
Manoj Parrikar is so
He takes-
smart enough.
No,
Okay,
he
okay,
takes
Mayor,
a
He's IIT.
Mayor,
He takes a
Manoj
responsibility
Parrikar-
of the environment
Manohar Parrikar is so smart, he can do anything. Manohar Parrikar can say the sun is rising in the west instead of the east. That smart he is.
See,
My time is
I want to
up.
answer his
Final.
question. I have got a gambling act.
Yeah.
The gambling act has got all the definitions, but there is no definition of offshore. Let me complete, please.
Okay.
And when there is no definition, then you go by Oxford Dictionary. What is the dictionary says? Which is not onshore is offshore. There is no definition of offshore in the Oxford also. Which is not onshore is a offshore. And Panjim is a minor port.
Good.
Okay.
Good argument.
Okay. Alex, I'll take you in.
Second-
I'll take you in. Okay.
IIT intelligence लेकर आप IIT intelligence लेकर आप argument.
I am going by the definition. I am going by the books. I am going by the definition. Secondly, when they brought that notification, when they printed in the newspaper, you can check the newspaper. They never put any of these conditions. Everybody has to
They
see
put
what
because
is
you
there.
told them what to put.
Taravella was
They put
allowed
because
there.
you told them what to
Wait.
put.
Alex, wait.
We were
You connived with them.
The companies were not even registered that time.
Okay.
Okay.
So you are saying
That
there were
ti-
no proper guidelines.
no proper guidelines. People referred the benchmarks of what is happening and
And
invested
they-
as per that.
Okay.
Now you-
Alex, final comments.
He is
Fine.
totally
Final
right.
comment. Finally
The rules
comment.
which
Final,
were framed
final.
by your government, he
Act,
followed.
I have
That
act
is why
here.
the casinos
I
came
have
over
act
there.
here.
Alex, final
You cannot
comment, final
arbitrarily
comment.
tell them to.
Okay.
Go away from
Okay.
So all the fellows who
One
in the
second,
government
one
have taken
second.
money
One
and
second.
put the rules as they want it.
Who are these people who took the money?
I'm saying Congress also.
Now,
okay.
Now-
NCP आणि काँग्रेस आणि
But
position
now-
घेतले.
Okay.
now
Okay.
the-
Michael,
But
Michael,
want to
Michael,
say-
Michael,
but
Michael,
now-
Michael.
आता काढ म्हणतात एका बाहेर
No,
जाऊ.
Please
but
understand.
now,
पाचशे
When
पाचशे
Sargina issued the license,
भीतर काढतात एक.
when Sargina issued the
Very
license,
clear.
when BJP came to
when
power,
Sardina issued license,
Parrikar was
BJP
behind.
was supporting them.
No.
Okay,
That is supporting the government.
Alex.
You want the government supported by
It was not
BJP.
discussed in the cabinet.
Michael,
It was
Michael.
not discussed in the
BJP,
cabinet.
your BJP kept quiet,
Okay.
supporting the government.
No,
And continue to support it.
Okay.
Our
Michael.
government.
One second.
Michael,
Michael, now you stop.
Supported.
Michael, you stop. Now listen to me. I want to make
Time is totally
one
over.
second. One second. I'm making only one point.
Okay,
Listen,
final.
See, we are lawmakers. He is a casino owner.
Yeah.
Why can't we decide and decide what we want for Goa?
And proper.
One second. One second.
They should not be allowed.
One second. One second. Let me finish. One second.
No,
One
no.
second.
Okay,
Let
quickly,
the-
10 seconds.
Taking everybody into confidence, why don't we allow? Let's just come to the point. Instead of arguing and fighting the people, what are we doing? Let us at least come. Is Manohar Parrikar, if he stands up and says, I'll show this fellow, I'll do this, I'll put
Okay,
this
your
fellow
time is
in.
up. Time is
Is
up.
he
Time is
the
up. Time
theory?
is up. Okay, Ajiba, Michael. लास्ट म्हाका सांगात सारकें आमी सद्या रिलोकेशनाची उलयता सगळीं उलयतात हांगच्यान थंय वरया थंयच्यान हांगाड या कसिनो हांगा जाय काय थंय जाय खरेंच कसिनो जाय
नाही पॉप्युलर सेंटिमेंट्स जर तूं गेलो न्ही
हय.
जाल्यार कसिनो नाकात पॉप्युलर सेंटिमेंट
हय.
पूण म्हजे कोतान आतां सगळें आयकून म्हाका सुद्दां दिसपाक लागलें तें अशें कितें तरी एक वे आवट काडपाक जाय
हय.
गव्हर्मेंटान हाडल्या हांगा बाय रोड दिस इज नॉट
It's not the way to function. It's
म्हजे
not the
कोतान
way to
वे आवट
function.
काडपाक जाय
Okay, okay.
आनी
Yeah,
आनी
yeah.
जशी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सरकारची
Proper
अशी
gaming
आसा
commission येवन
येवपाक जाय
regulation जावपाक जाय.
आनी जशी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सरकारची आसा इंडस्ट्रीची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
इतल्याचेर हांव सोंपयता म्हजो वेळ सामको सोंपला म्हजो वेळ सामको सोंपला कंप्लीट सोंपला
प्रमोद
तुम्ही
बाब,
पळयला
definition of dance bar.
डिस्कशन हांव इतल्याचेर खरेंच वेळ सोंपला हांव कांयच
Dance bar
करपाक
I get 20
शकना
times
तुम्ही
on
हे
media.
डिबेट पळयले थँक्स अ लॉट तुम्ही सगळी बाजू तुमच्या मुखार मांडपाचो प्रयत्न केला अर्थ आता गोंयकारांनी काडपाचो पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार